Hinawi ERP has been running since 1998, providing solutions for effective production cycle management. The manufacturing system in Hinawi ERP manages the entire production cycle. It all starts with creating a job order for production. This cycle involves issuing raw materials, moving production through defined stages, receiving finished products, and returning unused materials. The system calculates product costs using the weighted average cost method, based on bills of materials for each product. Each production transaction impacts inventory, ensuring financial control with a focus on three main accounts: asset, sales, cost of sales. The manufacturing system is fully integrated with accounting for real-time financial recording of all transactions. Production stages can be defined to monitor performance and costs at each step of the manufacturing process. The system offers advanced reports, including comparative cost reports and profitability analyses, with export options to Excel. Hinawi ERP ensures security with detailed user permissions and an audit trail for accountability in transactions. The manufacturing system integrates seamlessly with other modules such as accounting and inventory for comprehensive control. A manufacturing system is a powerful tool for managing production, offering accurate analysis, advanced reporting, and seamless integrations.